This video, my name's Hayden Davison and I want to talk to you about making £100 profit, GBP, per day from Amazon in the UK. Is it possible in 2023? How can you do it? Let's talk about it in this video. Without further ado, my name's Hayden, you're watching FBA TV. Let's dive into this. Now look, a lot of people sort of think that £100 a day is the magical number, you know, £100 a day. We're talking about every day, by the way, not just Monday to Friday, obviously, because Amazon never sleeps. The online selling world never sleeps, okay? So we're talking about every day, which is, obviously, let's average it at 30 days in a month, 31 days in a month, 30 days in a month. It's £3,000 net profit, not gross profit, net profit, big difference. That's after all staff costs, that's after all fees paid to Amazon, etc., all packaging, all postage, etc., all materials that you spend. Can you make that? Can you make that in 2023 on Amazon, and how possible is it? So just a bit quick background on me. I've been selling for around about 3 years. This month of December, we're hoping to do around about £100,000 in revenue with a net margin of around about 25%, 30%. So you can work that out yourself. Last month, November, I think we did. Obviously, we're in Q4, so sales are up at the moment. Probably did, I don't know, I haven't looked at the figures yet, probably 10,000 gross profit, maybe 7,000 net profit, something like that. And we sell in the UK and the USA, and we're just growing the business as fast as we possibly can with the money that we've got. So I think I'm qualified to talk about this. So look, I think, okay, now there's a lot of people that will simply say, yeah, it's possible, go for it, you know, 100 quid a day is easy, like net profit, we're talking net profit, that's the difference. 100 gross profit's fairly easy, 100 net profit is not so easy. There's a lot of people that would just happily go and tell you how possible this is and then go and sell you a £5,000 course. That's not me, that's not who I am. I don't have anything like that for sale. Therefore, I think that I can give you some genuine advice here, words of wisdom, the truth teller of Amazon FBA in the UK. Oh, almost knocked my tea over there. Let's have a quick little chamomile tea. Look, the reality is £3,000 net profit is not a small amount to make from Amazon. Is it possible? Absolutely. Absolutely. Does my business, and we've been selling for 3 years now, does my business, my UK, okay, so we've got a UK Amazon account and we've got a USA Amazon account. Does my business consistently make £3,000 net profit? And I've got multiple streams of income, by the way, but I'm talking about the UK business to base this on one account, okay? Does it consistently make £3,000 net profit? The answer is no. And that's me being completely honest. Does it sometimes make a lot more than £3,000 net profit? Yes. Are there months where a lot of the time it makes just under 3,000? Yes. Are there months where it makes 3,000 or just over? Yes. It fluctuates a lot. And the first thing you've got to understand is that there's a lot of variables that come into place here, and it depends what business model you are in. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I know you've probably heard that a million times. And I don't like the word sort of gurus and putting everyone in the same boat. But there is a lot of gurus, sort of fake gurus, that think they're making the money and they're not. Just because they screenshot a lot of money doesn't mean they're actually making a lot of money. You've got to understand that. What's their net profit, right? So you've got to understand that it takes time to learn the business model. And then once you get to a stage where you know how to make money from it, you then have to really knuckle down and expand the business. So let me talk about different business models in this, okay? Because it's really hard when people say, is it possible to make £3,000 net profit from Amazon? As if Amazon's just one thing. As if Amazon's just one selling strategy, like online arbitrage, when it's not. You could do retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. You can create your own products from home. You can do private label. You can do wholesale. You can do, flipping Amazon deals and stuff like that. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Whatever sells on Amazon, you can sell. And that's what people forget to understand. People don't understand. But we sell PL type stuff in the UK, and we do online arbitrage in the USA. Once again, is it possible? Yes, it is very possible. Next year in the USA, I would very much suspect, with a mix of online arbitrage and private label stuff, we are going to be doing 5,000 net profit in a lot of months. And I'd be honestly shocked if we wasn't. But that's a bigger marketplace. In the UK, once again, I would suspect in January we might do £3,000 net profit. In February, March, April, we might do under 3,000 net. That's just in our UK account. But who knows? Because if we're launching more products, then we could have products that go crazy and then we make a lot more than that. It fluctuates. Amazon fluctuates. And a lot of sellers make a lot of their money in Q4. So that's September, October, November, and December. Okay, I will make in December this year probably the same profit I make for the whole of the rest of the year in 1 month. And that's the reality of it. You can make a hell of a lot of money in Q4. And if I was to get a summary, get a rough average of my month, including Q4, if I was to get an average of all my months, how much I earn, then yes, it would be way over £3,000 net profit most likely because of Q4, because of that massive difference. So yes, you can consistently, but you've got to understand it's up and down. And some months you're going to be paying a lot on funding your business. You're going to be spending a lot on investing in your business rather than actually making loads of money for prep fees and stuff like that if you're front loading that business. So yes, it's a complex answer, right? But is it possible? Yes. Are there people doing online arbitrage making way over 3,000 net profit, £100 a day? Yes. Is people doing PL? Yes. You know, like, are we averaging it way over? Probably yes. You know, like, but it takes a long time to learn this. And was we making that from the start? Absolutely not. I didn't start making good money for about 1.5 years, 2 years into this business. I'm not saying that's going to be the same for you. It depends on your risk threshold. Quick interruption to introduce my new sponsor. So I'm now sponsored by Buybot Pro. Buybot Pro is an Amazon FBA product research tool and calculator. Not only can you work out your fees, how much profit you're going to be making from your products, but there's multiple products within the service of this software, including a built-in Keeper type graph. Therefore, if you have this, you don't need Keeper. Loads of other features on this tool. If you want a 14-day free trial for Buybot Pro, which I've been using for years now, check out the link below, get that 14-day free trial. And let's carry on with the video. It depends on the knowledge that you have, it depends on how quickly you pick up this business model, and it depends on the contacts that you have, etc, etc. It depends on the business model that you do, the business model that you implement onto Amazon. There's so many variables, it's really hard for me to say. But once again, I'll go back to it. Is it possible? Absolutely. Are there people doing it? Yes. Are we doing it? Yes. But it fluctuates, and it depends what model you do. Okay, if you're hitting RA, OA, really, really hard all the time, non-stop, yeah, you're going to do it. You know, but can you work part-time and hardly even pay any attention to the business and make £100 a day? Absolutely not. Anyone that says that you can is selling a course. Okay, and they're selling you a lie. So I hope that video helps. Sorry if it wasn't exactly what you were looking for, but I just can't not be honest. I have to say the thoughts that come to my head, and that is what I have to say. And if that helps one person from getting stung, from buying a course from one of the gurus that doesn't care about you, then I've done my job. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe and share with anyone that might be interested. See you later in the next video.